Have you ever stopped to think about the building you're in right now? Whether it's your home, your school, or the local library, buildings are a huge part of our lives. We live in them, work in them, and learn in them. They protect us from the rain and the cold. But here's something you might not know. Our buildings have a massive, and I mean massive, impact on our planet. They are like silent giants, standing all around us, using up enormous amounts of energy and resources. They are, in fact, one of the single biggest contributors to climate change, and most of us don't even realize it. It's a big deal, people. Think about it this way. Globally, buildings are responsible for almost 40% of all the energy we use. That's more than the entire transportation sector, all the cars, trucks, planes, and ships combined. All that energy has to come from somewhere, and right now, most of it comes from burning fossil fuels like coal, oil, and natural gas. When we burn these fuels, we release greenhouse gases, like carbon dioxide, into our atmosphere. These gases act like a heat-trapping blanket around the Earth, causing our planet to get warmer and warmer. So, every time we turn on a light, crank up the air conditioning, or use a computer, we're asking our buildings to pull more power from the grid, which often means more pollution. It's not just about the electricity either. The entire life of a building, from the very beginning to the very end, has an environmental footprint. Consider the materials we use to construct them: concrete, steel, glass, and plastic. Making these materials requires a tremendous amount of energy and often involves processes that release even more carbon dioxide. We also have to transport all those heavy materials to the construction site, which burns more fossil fuels. Then, once a building is old and needs to be torn down, all that waste often ends up in a landfill. It's a huge, resource-intensive cycle that has been going on for centuries. So, you see, the places we love and depend on are part of a very big problem. They keep us comfortable, but that comfort comes at a cost to our planet's health. The way we have been designing and operating our buildings is simply not sustainable for the long haul. But here's the exciting part, and this is what science is all about. When we identify a problem, we can start looking for solutions. We have the knowledge, the technology, and the ingenuity to change this. We can turn these silent, energy-hungry giants into lean, green, planet-saving machines. It's time to rethink how we build from the ground up.